Somebody was splitting there. I don't know what's happening. But that girl was like cruising next to a cop. That's funny. People don't lane split past cops. I don't know why. Ladies and gents, hello and welcome to another vloggy vlog. That man over there in the black jacket, black pants was just geeking out about my bike. I love it. He called this a Triumph. No, it's a Ducati. It's a Ducati, my brother. Anyway, we're gonna do a vlog today, ladies and gents. Another vloggy vlog. And guess what? I gotta get out of here because I feel like I'm scaring people. But this episode is a special one. We're going back to the gas tank questions. That's right. It's a segment I used to do. Gas tank questions. Today's gas tank question is from scratch. Have you ever considered a scooter so you don't have to daily the monster? And it's a question that comes up very often. So basically, a scooter versus motorcycle for New York City. Which one is the way to go? It's gonna be a quick, simple discussion as I'm commuting back home from work to work. And yeah, obviously I prefer a motorcycle. I'll tell you that right away. And I'm gonna go through a list of reasons as to why. The thing about motorcycles, the thing about scooters, right? That they're smaller, lighter, more nimble. They're much cheaper. They are easier to operate. You can park them anywhere, and since they're cheaper, like they're gonna, like, you don't care about damage. Oh, look. I literally stalled the bike because I'm yapping like a noob, which is great. Oh, look, they're dancing over there. Cute. Anyway, so one could think that scooter is better that way, because a lot of times the scooter, especially if you get like a tiny little scooter, 49cc or whatever, you don't have to register it, inspect it, insure it. You don't have to do nothing. It's literally like a toy, and you could get around a bit quicker, you know, because it's smaller. And every single thing I just listed is exactly the reason as to why I'm not so sure I want a scooter. Because scooters right now are used by delivery people mostly, or I mean hooligans. You know, there's a lot of hooligans out there. And the whole point that they don't require a lot of skill to operate. There's no clutch, there's nothing, you just get on and go. And they don't require any insurance, registration, or anything. Makes them very desirable to be stolen. You know? Makes them very desirable to be stolen. So even though it seems oxymoronic to buy an expensive motorcycle in order to not have it stolen, there's actually a lot of logic to that. Also, like, for me, a scooter doesn't make sense because I wouldn't buy like a piece of crap. I mean, I guess I could buy like a total piece of crap scooter and just like throw it around and not care, but I would imagine I probably wouldn't do that. I'd probably buy like a nice scooter, and then I'm gonna be concerned about it, and then it's gonna be a whole another vehicle. You know what I mean? It's gonna be like a whole another vehicle to maintain, to keep, because obviously you could not replace a motorcycle. And now I'm gonna be stuck with a scooter. Trust me, I've considered a scooter, like a nice little small Vespa and whatnot. That said, perhaps the answer is actually an electric bicycle, e-bike, or electric little scooter, right? Tiny little thing. But now you're sacrificing speed and efficiency, and acceleration and distance, and those things are heavy as hell. They control like crap. I mean, I guess I could get like something like a Zeus or Suron or anything like that, but now you're getting into thousands of dollars. It just doesn't make sense for me to have a scooter around the city. Plus, I love this bike. Like, for me, dailying this bike is part of the joy. Like, I love dailying this bike. This is my scooter. This is my everyday bike. So I'm not concerned. Plus, like I mentioned, I actually have like a thing going with my buddy where we're trying to rack up miles. I'm trying to get as many miles as possible on this baby. You know what I mean? So daily is the actual plan. Daily is the actual goal. There's many other reasons, you know, like, I mean, scooter is obviously underpowered, and the thing is, in New York City, granted, thank you so much, thank you. Granted, one should not be going fast anyway, but many situations occur where you do need to get out of the way, or you do need the brakes, or you do need the bigger wheels, bigger diameter of the wheel to roll over some obstacle, some pothole, something. So it just doesn't make any sense to have a scooter if you know how to operate a motorcycle. I would be better off buying like a shitty, small motorcycle. Like in this case, like not shitty even, but like just like cheaper. Like I would get like a beater, like a nice SV650 beater, you know? And that thing would be sick, dude. You can leave it anywhere. You can put like semi-knobbies on the 60/40 so you can take it off-road. Or like a XSR 700 or something like that. Somebody was splitting there. I don't know what's happening. But that girl was like cruising next to a cop. That's funny. People don't lane split past cops. I don't know why. Anyway, so basically to answer your question, that's that. I'm not even sure if I'm still recording or not. I hope I am. I thought I heard the camera beep beep beep, which is not cool. And I don't know why there's so much traffic here today. It's legit like fucking crazy, right? 4 p.m. and people are bugging out. Yeah, I really hope the vlog does record. The GoPro has been giving me troubles. I'm actually gonna get the Max 2 any day now. I just got too many things going on. I gotta slow down one thing at a time. I'm curious to see if I think it's still recording. Yeah, it's recording. So that's my opinion. Don't get a scooter, man. Get a little motorcycle. Even if you get a tiny, like even a freaking Grom would be better than a scooter. More power, more agility, still tiny wheels if that's like your thing, if you really want something tiny. But yeah, scooter is just not it. That said, would I like a scooter if I had lots of space to park and I had extra money and all that? Sure. Would it be my daily? No. No, that would not be my daily. By any fucking means. This thing just sounds so fucking good. I can't imagine, like, I guess I can make a scooter sound really cool and like rappy and all that, but no, dude. No freaking way. Have you ever considered a scooter? No. I did consider a scooter right before I started riding because somebody spooked me out about motorcycles, and I was actually going to get a Puch Magnum, which is like a little motorcycle looking thing, and then I was going to get a Honda Ruckus, which is another motorcycle looking thing. So we yeah, decided not to do any of that. And look, I have a little drawing of a motorcycle here. Speaking of which, you should go to ducknyc.com and get some of my merch, because I doodle t-shirts and hoodies and all sorts of shit. You know, I'm quite a bit of an artist, if you will. So scratch. I hope that answers your question. Look at this. We got a long procession. We got a football team of some sort, a bunch of kids. How you doing, man? Of course. The guy said thank you. That's so nice. That's so kind of him. The guy was like, thanks for letting my kids go by. And it's like, of course, man. You got this, ma'am. We don't do that. We don't do that. We don't do that. We don't mess around. Anyway, thank you for watching, boys and girls. This was a fun topic. Thank you, Scratch. Bye.